Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today I am tackling my washing machine, which is in desperate need of a major deep clean, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm doing is removing the detergent drawer, which on my Bosch washing machine you just press the blue button, pull it out, and actually I ended up picking up this Dettol mold and mildew remover in the hopes it would help shift some of the mold, especially in the rubber section inside, because as you can see it is really very bad. Once I've sprayed it onto the drawer, I'm giving it a really good wipe down with just an old cloth and of course some rubber gloves. I'm usually guilty of never wearing gloves when I'm cleaning, but for this I definitely was going to be wearing them. Once that is all clean, I'm giving the inside a really quick spray and wipe down as well, and I have to say it actually came up really well. up this washing machine cleaner, which I was hoping would actually get rid of some of the mold in the drum, but unfortunately it didn't, although I'm sure it gave it a really good clean inside. As you can see, after I put the cycle on, it didn't do anything to the mold, so I ended up spraying the mold spray on, leaving it for 5 minutes and then wiping it down. And I have to say, I was really disappointed that it didn't do anything. But the last thing I thought I would try, which is a bit of a random product for a washing machine, was a Brillo pad, and honestly it worked better than anything else I tried. And as you can see already, even with the product on, it has made such a difference and has removed so much of the mold. And the last thing I did was empty out the drain hose, which luckily didn't have that much water and wasn't that dirty, as you can see, but I've definitely had times where I've drained the washing machine and I've had to empty it out about 3 times because it just had so much water. But that is the end of this video. As you can see, the washing machine is so much cleaner and I just feel a lot better for putting my clothes in to get washed now. There's nothing worse than having a dirty washing machine and expecting your clothes to come out clean. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any more tips on how to get rid of mold, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in my next one.